Hi everyone. So children, today I am going to talk to you, and not only the children of my school. I am actually talking to everyone regarding the word impossible. You know, you people have already heard about it, that when we say impossible, we can break it as I am possible, right? I tell you that this word should not exist in your dictionary, right? It happens in the class that if a question paper is there in the exams and mm, most of the children say it was easy, but a few are sitting with the expressions on their face that what are they saying? It was so tough. So, it is tough for those who have not studied, right? So in your life there could be lot many challenges and you will feel that it is impossible, but it is impossible for only those who have not tried it. Let us take some examples in our life. आपने अंबानीज का नाम सुना होगा. धीरू भाई अंबानी was the person who started this Ambani business and Ambani empire. You know, he is one of the richest men in the world. So you think Dhirubhai Ambani just had a magical wand and abracadabra and he became a businessman? No, he was a very humble person and he started off his business by selling food to the pilgrims at these places where they visit. So he was selling food to the pilgrims, and that is how, you know, the idea of business might have strived in his mind, and he kept on you know, making new plans, starting new ventures, taking up challenges. It wasn't a piece of you know, a bed of rose, or it wasn't a cakewalk. It was not that easy. It is never that easy. But for the people who try, it is definitely better than the people who never try. Right? Let us learn something from nature also. You must have seen water. It's very soft. Even if you put it in your hand, it will go out, squeeze out. Right? You cannot hold it like that until unless, yes, it is a utensil or something. So if a river is coming, if a stream is coming and you put a boulder in its path, what will happen? The water will make 2-3 more ways and it will move on. Similarly, if challenges come into your life or you feel that one door is shut, no problems. Find out 2-3 more doors. They are there. It is your attitude that matters. Right? Let us take another example of Thomas Alva Edison. He lived on this earth for 84 years only. But the number of patents he has on his name are 1093, almost 1100 patents. Can you imagine? He was such a crazy person that he thought he can create light from glass or inside a glass. He created that glass bulbs. So, have you ever thought that light can be, you know, the glass can glow into a light, it can produce light, or light can be produced through it? The inverter batteries that you see in your house, early cinemascope and all, even the electric meter in your house. Can you thought you can count the electricity? Has this thought ever come into your mind? But he has thought. And that is how he created the electric meters. So, was he from another planet? No. He was with 46 chromosome, 2 eyes, 2 ears. Just a normal person like you and me. Yes, he had lot of thoughts that why something is happening, how something is happening, and he used to cross question his teachers, and because of that he was, thrown out or eliminated from the school many a times. So what happened, his mother started teaching him at home, and his mother did not made it obvious to him कि भाई तुम special हो, nothing like that. Mother said that वो लोग तुमको पढ़ा ही नहीं पाएंगे, चलो तुम्हें मैं पढ़ाती हूँ. So his basic education was given to him by his mother. That is how he learned how to read. And then he was not so lucky like us that at the press of a button the whole world is there. The whole world of information and knowledge is there. He was not lucky. There was no internet. He used to study, used to go to the library, get some books. He used to study and he started recording his observations. And that is how in the lifespan of 84 years he has 1093 patents on his name. There are many such crazy people, but trust me, the world is changed by these crazy people. तो ये तो इतनी बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें कर गए, आपको तो छोटा सा करना है. आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप अपनी पढ़ाई करनी है, अच्छा रिजल्ट देना है ना. यू हैव टू डू इट, एंड इफ यू वांट यू कैन चेंज द वर्ल्ड. देयर आर सो मेनी एरियाज इन द वर्ल्ड where you can bring the change. These days even a person can cut good hair and become famous. A person can make good tattoo, or these days we have makeup artists, good makeup. So anything that you do with passion can become your profession, and you can also become famous. Alright, so please remove the word impossible from your dictionary. It is impossible to score 90%. I don't have that brain. No, it is nothing like that. You do have brain. There are people who are, trying to do, like since 10-15 years back, we had never thought that we'll be doing video callings from anywhere in the world, anywhere in the universe. People in the spaceship, International Space Station can also do video calls. Live matches we see. So have we ever thought 50 years back, has people ever thought about it? No, but it is possible today. So maybe what we are not thinking today, there may be some crazy people who are working on those ideas, and that is possible. You are also special. You can also do something special. You see the world of bakeries and all cooking. Some of the great chefs of the world are men. Even the chef industry, cooking industry, food industry is seeing lot of variations. Beautiful aesthetics into it. Food aesthetics is a branch to study. Come on यार, ये भी एक प्रोफेशन है. तो आपके और हमारे जैसे ही ये भी लोग हैं who have tried to do something different and they have changed the world. You can do it. Believe in yourself. You can do it. If one door closes, you should have the guts to open 2, 3 more, 10 more doors. Life is a possibility, not an impossible thing. Right? So for students, I would say that try to get good results. Try to focus, maybe you can focus on humanities subject, become an IAS officer, change the world. You can do it. right? You have interest in culinary skills, make your own brand. Sanjeev Kapoor has his own brand, right? So Shahnaz Hussain was even shayad, I think she was 10th pass. She's an international famous beautician, beauty products range, the studios to teach beauty tricks, right? Herbal beauty, I don't know what all, even she has got many patents on her name. You can also do it. So all the best, children. There is nothing like impossible. Impossible says I am possible. So everything is possible. Go out. Sky is the limit. Beyond that, if something there, that is also the limit. Go for it. All the best. Thank you very much.